Welcome to Clark's Cooky Crazy Caribbean Cooking Show with Luca as well.
Woo! Today we're making jerk chicken and fried plantains. Okay, so we're gonna begin with the jerk chicken. We have to marinate it for about 30 minutes. That's the first step. So yeah. Oh my god, pranked! We're not actually in Gordon Ramsay's kitchen.
My friend, she's just gonna hate me. Well, I think she already does.
So now we're gonna make the marinade. Here are the instructions.
Okay. Now we're doing pasta. We dropped the camera on the plate and the plate broke and the camera is fine. So now we just have broken plate with beautiful, beautiful dish. Okay, much blood later, much broken plates later, much pain and agony and suffering later. It's finally done. 6 hours. Took us 6 hours. Recipe said like less than an hour. So time to eat it. Okay. First off, the bananas. Cheers. It's not raw, first thing I noticed, so that's good.
Yeah.
Honestly, better than I expected.
Alright. Taste test time. Oh wow. It's not bad.
That is very good. Le poulet avec l'ananas et bananas is très bien. Now, we're getting refreshments. Orange juice. Orange juice, they do have oranges in the Caribbean, I believe. So, now we're getting le jus d'orange.
Oh no.
Le jus d'orange est mon bois préféré. J'aime le jus d'orange. C'est très bien.
How do you say orange in Spanish?
No.
Okay. La anaranjado or el anaranjado está muy bien.
I thoroughly enjoyed the last 30 seconds of my life in eating this. Everything else today was pain and misery. Overall,
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10. J'aime
Please give Clark an A.
création et je sais si c'est bien. Now we are outside because I was kicked out of the kitchen so my dad can create real dinner. So overall, after losing about 2 pints of blood, And in all of my sanity and about 6 to 7 hours of my Saturday, I would say that this is a horrendous.
I had lots of fun, and this was a very good use of my time. I would definitely do this joyful thing again voluntarily.
Now, for extra credit, parkour originated in France. Here's some epic flip parkours. Yo! Okay, next segment. We have banana taste test. We got I told my mom, hey mom, can you go to the store and get me some bananas? And she's like, you're driving me bananas. And I'm like, I was laughing a lot. Mom mad is tricking me. So, we got a lot of bananas. We got Manzano bananas, they used to say, now they don't. We got reds, they're called that because they're red. And this, first of all, we're going with plantain. Okay, these are plantain bananas. First of all, no banana should make that noise. I don't want to eat this, and
It's just starch. It's all starch.
tastes like a pear.
If that's what your pears taste like, you need to get better pear.
It's foaming on the inside of my mouth. Slightly feels paralyzed.
An allergic reaction.
Yeah. I got the red. It was very, very difficult. Had to use a knife to cut it open. Let's see. So we got like that. False advertising. Nature is false advertising. These are not actually red, but it's red on the outside. I thoroughly enjoy this banana.
Tastes like banana. Yeah.
Le roll banana. I don't know banana.
Le raw banana.
Very good. Very good.
10 out of 10.
Mais si es très difficile à open.
Tastes like banana.